Ron from Ronald Rohde Law, and today we're going to be continuing this trend talking about office. What is the future of office in a post-corona virus world? And here we have the latest article from the Wall Street Journal. The headline is Google to invest $7 billion in post-pandemic office. And I think it's really interesting what that means for retail investors and direct commercial real estate operators that are looking at office as a future opportunity. Yes, you're going to have to invest some money in tenant improvements and a change in the way that offices are structured. Maybe it's cleaner HVAC, maybe it's additional HEPA filters. But Google has typically made pretty smart investments throughout its existence. And I think it makes sense to look at this article and see what's applicable and what can you learn for your next commercial real estate investment. So it announces that Google is going to hire 10,000 new full-time staff, and these workers are going to have an office where they can physically come in to collaborate. They're not going to be remote. They're not going to have 100% remote. But if you're looking at another buying opportunity, office is definitely negative. But if you can underwrite what the additional capital expenditures will be, it seems like there are going to be businesses and tenants who are willing to take that risk with you. You can see how they're starting to spread and changing this remote work experience. So again, being flexible and adaptable to the future trends of what companies are looking for, they're gonna look at a safe but necessary physical environment where employees can come together, maybe to meet with clients, maybe to meet with vendors. And again, what are the key parts of a business that need to be done in person? If you can look for opportunities to buy existing buildings that have long-term leases, again, they don't need to be fully leased for the next 7 years at 90% of the building. But if you have at least 50% leased for an additional 5 years, maybe that gives you the cash flow base to make these improvements, figure out what post-COVID-19 looks like, and build the office of the future. You have that power and that decision in your hands. Good luck, and smash that like button and hit subscribe for more commercial real estate content. Thanks.